What's going on, everybody? What's going on, everybody? What's going on, everybody? Get them juices flowing. I think I'm gonna say that after every video. Alright, so look, let me get straight into the point, okay? Straight to the point, alright? We're gonna talk about how to target your demographic using LinkedIn. A lot of people don't know how to use LinkedIn. They know it's popular, they heard of it, they don't know how to use LinkedIn. The first thing that you always want to do is connect yourself around people who you want to be around. Whether you're doing business with them, whether you are seeking opportunities like a job or something like that, whatever it is that you want to do on this channel. This is basically a channel about how to create opportunities for yourself as a business owner. As far as generating leads and stuff like that, we cover that a lot. So that's pretty much what this is going to be about. And I'm just going to give you the basics on how to actually target your demographic using LinkedIn. The first thing that we're going to talk about is the Sales Navigator Tool, which is within LinkedIn right here on the right hand corner. It's the paid version of LinkedIn. It's free for 30 days. I think after that it's $64.99, and I think they got another plan as well. I use the paid version. I never really had to pay for it because it pretty much paid for itself. When it comes to the lead generating that I do, I'm pretty much able to get a client, and that one client was able to pay for that service for the month, so I haven't had to pay for it yet. Okay, alright, so we're going to talk about how to actually search for people using the Sales Navigator Tool first, and then I'm going to show you guys how to do it using the profile filter. So boom, Sales Navigator Tool, click on that boy once it's installed, assuming you already had it activated. If you are going to use Sales Navigator, if you're not going to use the paid version, don't waste your 30 days. If you haven't used it before, I'm going to show you how to do it the other way as well. So the next thing that you want to do once you log into Sales Navigator Tool is you want to click on this button called Advanced Search, okay? Click on Advanced Search, then you want to click on Search for Leads. Once you click on Search for Leads, follow me, you're going to see this box come up. And this box is like magic. It's like the best thing since sliced bread. It's called the profile filter. That's what I call it. That's what you should call it, because that's what you should call it. This is the profile filter, okay? Now this profile filter is fantastic. Let me tell you why. LinkedIn is the world's largest platform for professionals. The way that you can target people is insane. This tool with the Sales Navigator Tool allows you to get more extensive data, a lot more data to work with. All right, so I run an agency that targets that generates leads for business loan brokers and B2B based companies, right? So a lot of the people that I generate leads for when I run these LinkedIn campaigns for them, when we run these LinkedIn campaigns for them, a lot of times these loan brokers are targeting people who are looking for capital. So we're going to be targeting a lot of times industries that require a lot of capital a lot of the times. So say construction, for example. The first thing that I always target is construction. Now all of these things you don't have to fill out if you want. There's only 3 to 4 things that I usually need to go and target the right demographic of people. So let's say we fill all of this out. We're going to go into, I'm not going to fill all of this out right now. This is just a brief overview. So we're going to say this is we're going to put it, you can type in whatever industry. You can type in more than one industry, but you can always type in construction. You know, for the sake of this video, let's say I'm running a campaign for a loan broker and he wants to target construction. See how many results? That's a lot of results. We want to try to narrow that down and target different people and be more specific. We want to connect with the people who we want to be around. That's pretty much it. And then the next thing that you want to do is you can type, I like to target the title, which is the position of whoever I want to target. That's very important as well. So keep that in mind. If you want to target a recruit, if you want to have a network full of recruiters, or if you want to have a network full of your target audience, like construction workers, if you're a loan broker or a real estate investor, if you're into the mortgage field or not. I hate when this thing comes up. Jesus Christ, leave me alone. No, you messed me up, man. You messed up my video, but I'm gonna keep it going. Alright, so you want to target different people based on the title. Keep this in mind. This is very important now. Follow me, okay? Make sure you do your due diligence and you find out the name of the title of the decision makers. A lot of people assume that founders and CEOs are the decision makers for whatever service that they have a lot of the times. Where some case scenarios, the founder and CEO may not be the decision maker. They may not be the decision maker. They may have somebody in a department, in another department that does that, like the director of marketing or something like that. You never know. So you want to make sure that you do your due diligence and you find out who's a decision maker in your audience, in your niche, in your industry, or whatever you're trying to do, whatever your agenda is. You would know better than I would, okay? Right? Right? Okay. Just joking. I'm really in a silly mood today. My phone's ringing. I know you guys hear that in the background. Excuse me. The next thing that you want to do is you want to target the company size. If you're, like I said, we generate leads here. On this channel, we talk about leads. So I'm going to assume that you're in a B2B based industry. All right. So if you want to target smaller companies, you can do that. If you want to target bigger companies because you want to be around people that want to afford your services or your product, you can target 500, you can target 1,000, you can target up to 10,000 if you want to. Alright, and then you fill out the information as far as all of the information you feel like you need. You can also put in keywords to narrow down your search. And then once that happens, you just select enter, and based on the information that you put in, LinkedIn will pull up a pool of talent, and you can basically go down this list and just send invites and connect with those people. You can send a pre-written script. I highly recommend that you don't sell anything within the invitation message. You can just say, hey, thanks, saw you were in this industry, wanted to connect, felt like we can collaborate in the future, blah blah blah. You can say whatever you need to say, just don't sell nothing. That's just my opinion. Don't sell nothing to these people when you first connected them, because they deny you in a heartbeat. Stop spamming people. I'm gonna do another video on that soon. Alright, and then you just go down the list and you can just connect with those people. And one thing that I really like is I can save searches with the Sales Navigator tool. So I won't have to put all that information in that I put in before, because I saved the search, and I can just go in and pull up the list that I want, and boom, I already did this video already, so I already got a list for it. But you can pretty much have a save searches and go to what you already searched for. Okay, now let's go back to LinkedIn, the homepage. If you don't want to use that paid version, I completely understand. Nobody likes to spend money unless they want to spend it. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing is the unpaid version. Not the first thing, but the second thing. Follow me. Sorry, I'm trying to go fast. So we want to go to the second, but we're going to go to the search bar and we're going to click on this magnifying glass. I know I'm talking fast, but this is a video. You can rewind it, okay, baby, girl, boy, what's up? Shout out to the ladies. I love you very much. Alright, so listen. We're going to click on people. Right? Oh, that was so unprofessional. I apologize. I'm being real silly today. I'm very professional. Okay, so we're going to click on people, and we're going to target them by selecting all filters. And then you can pretty much do what I just previously showed you, but you don't have as many options. So I would say for you guys, most of the time, you would need to target the industry. You would target the industry and the position. Select the industry and the position. And you don't always have to sell on LinkedIn. You can just surround yourself with like-minded people and just reach out to people. Just develop a relationship. What other platform can you go to where you can target the founder and CEOs within the search engine? Type in wherever you're at in the city and just have lunch with a bunch of people. You can do a meetup and just have have lunch and just be around people. You know, make friends. If you don't have a lot of friends, and connect with people. What else platform can you do that? You can have lunch with CEOs and founders in your area. That's the coolest thing ever. Utilize this platform, guys. Utilize it. The next thing that you want to do is second connections. All right, first connections is just people in your network. Second connections is people that pretty much are not in your network. Send those connection invites, pull a talent will come up, reach out to those people. You can customize the messages to them, whoever you're targeting. Like if they want an award or something like that, or if they have a skill in a certain area, you can talk about it, and then you can have kind of like a semi-script where you'll have the basics of what you want to accomplish, and then you can have like a custom line, like 1 to 2 sentences based specifically for them. And that is going to increase your conversion rate if you're looking to sell and stuff, or if you're just looking to network with people. It really helps when you just don't have a pre-written script and you're really original. If you don't have time to do that, you can hire somebody to do that for you, like social media marketing agency. We do that here at jeremiahvega.com. Go over to jeremiahvega.com. We'll go ahead and take care of that for you, where we do your social media management and we run LinkedIn lead generation campaigns for you, and we guarantee those leads if you want to run a LinkedIn campaign. So shout out to all those loan brokers out there and those B2B based companies, because we got your back. All right, I need your coins. I need your coins. All right, I need your coins so I can help you get coins. All right, so it's my money and I need it now. No, I'm just joking. But I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Make sure you subscribe. You hit that button. Everybody always says subscribe, but I really do need to. If you like this video even slightly, stop playing. Stop playing with me. Sir, ma'am, hit the subscribe. You still ain't hit it yet? Yo, I'm done. Bye.